In the ethereal realm of Irish mythology, where the boundaries between the mortal and divine blurred, there lived a deity of extraordinary skill and craftsmanship, Luchta, the Carpenter God. As a member of the Tuatha DG Danann, the ancient race of gods and goddesses, Luchta possessed unparalleled abilities in the art of woodworking. Luchta's workshop was a marvel to behold, nestled amidst the verdant hills of Ireland. The air hummed with the rhythmic tapping of his hammer and the sweet scent of freshly cut timber. With each stroke of his chisel, he breathed life into inanimate wood, transforming it into objects of beauty and utility. One fateful day, as Luchta toiled diligently in his workshop, a messenger arrived from the High King of the Tuatha DG Danann, Nuada AirgetlGÄm. The king had summoned Luchta to his palace in Tara, the legendary seat of power. Upon arriving at Tara, Luchta was greeted with both awe and reverence. Nuada had a task of great importance for him. The king's daughter, Etain, was to be married to the mortal hero Midir, but their wedding feast required a magnificent hall that would be a testament to the Tuatha DG Danann's artistry. Luchta accepted the commission with pride. He gathered the finest woods from the forests of Ireland and set to work with unwavering determination. Day and night, he labored tirelessly, his hands guided by divine inspiration. As the wedding day approached, Luchta's masterpiece was complete. The hall was a breathtaking spectacle, its walls adorned with intricate carvings and its ceiling supported by towering pillars. The air was filled with the sweet fragrance of cedar and the soft glow of flickering torches. On the day of the wedding, the Tuatha DG Danann and the mortals gathered in the magnificent hall. Etain and Midir exchanged vows beneath the vaulted ceiling, their love illuminated by the golden light of the setting sun. Luchta's hall became a symbol of the Tuatha DG Danann's unparalleled craftsmanship and their enduring legacy. It stood as a testament to the power of imagination and the transformative nature of art. But Luchta's story did not end there. As the centuries passed, his reputation as a master carpenter spread throughout Ireland. Mortals sought his guidance and assistance in building their homes and crafting their tools. One day, a young apprentice named Conla came to Luchta's workshop, eager to learn the secrets of his craft. Luchta welcomed him with open arms and taught him the intricacies of woodworking. As Conla's skills grew, so too did his admiration for his master. He marveled at Luchta's ability to create objects of both beauty and functionality. One evening, as they sat by the fireside, Conla asked Luchta, "Master, what is the greatest secret of your craft?" Luchta smiled and replied, "My dear Conla, the greatest secret is not in the tools we use or the materials we work with. It is in the love and care we put into our creations. When we pour our hearts into our work, it becomes more than just an object. It becomes a reflection of our own souls." Conla took Luchta's words to heart. He continued to hone his skills, always striving to infuse his work with the same passion and dedication that his master had taught him. In time, Conla became a master carpenter in his own right, renowned throughout Ireland for his exceptional craftsmanship. And so, the legacy of Luchta, the Carpenter God, lived on through the generations, inspiring countless artisans to create works of art that would endure for centuries to come.